Kids, hope everyone is well. That day I have told you to read types of sentences. So I have asked you few questions. What is a sentence? What are the types of sentences and what are those? Okay. So what are the types of sentences? Types of sentences are declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Yes. Again, declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Declarative make sentences and it ends with a full stop. Okay, it describes. In imperative, it gives commands or strong feelings, that is called imperative. Okay, interrogative is when we ask questions or we might give commands also sometimes, so that is interrogative. Okay, exclamatory is expressing emotions. Okay, like feeling good, bad, all these lovely, all these are, you are expressing your emotions, that is exclamatory. When you feel very happy, when you feel sad, you express yourself, then you will use exclamatory sentences. Yes. So here it is given and I have asked you one question. What is a sentence? That is from the previous chapter, that is sentence. Yes, the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Okay, that is a revision. Now what do these sentences express according to your understanding of the sentence? Write sentence statement as questions Q, command C, or strong feeling as if against them. Have you completed your homework? This is a question. So Q. Today is a bright day. This is strong feeling. Okay. So this is a statement. Okay. This is S. So is today a bright day? So this is a question. Wear a sun hat. This is a command. Okay. So C. Number 5. What a bright day it is. Number 5. What is that? That is exclamation. That is a strong feeling. Okay. Next. Take out your books. This is command. I am not feeling well. This is a strong feeling. Watch out. This is a command. So someone will tell you, hey, watch out. So that is command. Now we have learned that a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. I have already told you. There are 4 kinds of sentences. We have already got this. These are the sentences and I have already told you what are the sentences. Now declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences. So declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence or statements. Okay, declarative can be expressed as assertive or statements also. Declarative sentences and imperative sentences end in a full stop. Remember this. Interrogative sentences end in a question mark. This is very important. Exclamatory sentence and in an exclamation mark. So I told you to read it 2 days before this chapter just because to read all these points. Some of you have asked me, Miss, should I write the question answers and all? No, I have given it as sometimes you should read the books also. Before I teach you, I used to read the book. As you also, as usual, you also should do that. Before learning any chapter, before the teacher describe you the chapter, you should read it so that you can get the points. Okay, that is the reason I told you to read it before I explain this. Now sometimes a sentence may be made up of just one word. Stop. We understand in this word also, stop. That means what we have to do, we have to stop. Yes, that is a command. Leave. When we say leave, then sometimes we say run. So you understand in this this kind of words also, you understand what does the other person wants to say. So all these words, these are one word sentences that give commands. These are what? Commands. Okay, here we see that the verb is the heart of a sentence and it is not possible to write a sentence without a verb. These are the verbs, yes or no? These are the heart of a sentence. With the verb only we will understand what the sentence is about, what the person is about to tell. Sometimes imperative sentences, what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is also known as what? Imperative sentence is commands, okay? So sometimes imperative sentence can also end in an exclamation mark if the command is forceful. For example, stop, go away. So in these words sometimes we can use the if it is a strong command, okay? So we will use what? Exclamation mark. This is what? Exclamation mark, okay? This is what? Exclamation mark. This is your question mark. This is your full stop. You understand this, right? So you have to know this first. So number A, question number A, identify whether the statements are declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Then write the correct closing punctuation mark in each of the boxes, okay? So here in the boxes you have to write what a terrible crash it is. You have to write here either it is imperative, declarative or assertive or exclamatory, whatever it is you have to write, and you have to punctuate also. What will be here? Here it will be exclamation mark. Wherever you need exclamation mark, wherever you need question mark, you have to put and write this. This is your homework, okay? Question number A. So question number A, you have to do this in your book first and after that do this in your copy. No need to send me photos. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.